Good morning to all. Welcome back to biology class. Dear students, in our previous class we discussed about various parts of the digestive system. Digestive system is made up of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal starts in our mouth and ends in rectum. With this alimentary canal, digestive glands also included in digestive system. Dear children, do you know which are the digestive glands that are included in this digestive glands? They are salivary glands, liver and pancreas. Salivary glands are seen inside the mouth. Liver is seen near our stomach and pancreas also seen near the stomach associated with our duodenum. Today we are going to see the digestion process. Main sites of digestion are mouth, stomach and small intestine. Digestion is a process of converting complex food materials into simple absorbable forms. Digestion includes 5 processes. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Then digestion start with the ingestion. That means we take in food through our mouth. Now we are going to see the changes happen to food inside the mouth. In our mouth, our food break down to smaller particle. That is the first step of digestion in mouth. Then these smaller particles mixes with the saliva. Dear students, which are the parts that are seen in your mouth? They are teeth, tongue and salivary glands, and we can see saliva. These are the main parts that are seen in our mouth. Then first part is teeth. Teeth fixed in gum socket. Now we are going to see different types of teeth that are seen in our mouth. There are 4 types of teeth are seen in our mouth. They are incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Appearance of these teeth is totally different and their function also different. Now we can see the external appearance of these teeth. First one is incisor. In incisor, that is a flat teeth, and canines are pointed teeth. molars and premolars also flat teeth. But the external appearance is different in these teeth. Function also different. First we are going to see incisor. This incisor helps to bite and cut the food. When you eat an apple, we can use this incisor to cut that apple into small pieces. And next one is canine. This canine is a pointed teeth. These canines are seen in carnivores, flesh-eating animals. You can see these canines clearly. Then this canine helps to tear the food. When you eat chicken, then you can tear it into small piece with the help of this canine. Next type of teeth is premolars. This premolars helps to chew the food. And next one is molar. Molar helps to grind the food. Then 4 incisors present in our upper jaw and 4 incisors seen in the lower jaw. Then total number of incisors in our mouth is 8. And second one is canine, and 2 canines are seen in the upper jaw and 2 canines are seen in the lower jaw. Total number of canine is 4. Next one is premolar. 4 premolars are seen in upper jaw and 4 premolars are seen in the lower jaw. Then total number of premolar is 8. And molars. 6 molars are seen in the upper jaw and 6 molars are seen in the lower jaw. Then total 12 molars are seen in our mouth. Then total number of teeth in an adult's mouth is 32. But in small child, another set of teeth is coming. They are called temporary teeth. But in adult, it is permanent teeth. Next day, we will learn the structure of molar teeth and canine teeth. Thank you. Have a nice day.